Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September the 6th, 2017. About 9 o'clock. It's been raining all morning. It's kind of chilly. It's about 53 degrees. It's supposed to be down in the 40s tonight, near a record low. I'm glad we got the trees cut yesterday. We're on our way to Newland in the rain. Larry needs his breakfast from McDonald's and I need to publish my video. We're here at the senior center. We're ready to leave. I got my video published and caught up on all the news and paid some bills. So on to the next stop. We're on our way to Banner Elk now. Now he's going to pick up the things that he left at that consignment store. The rest of his things, he got part of it already. He's going to get the rest of it. There's Larry without his glasses. He had to take them off because he was going out in the rain. We decided to come over here to Lowe's and look around since we had the time. I want to see if they still got the same flooring as I have in my bathroom. We're leaving Lowe's. Doesn't look like they have the pattern for the floor tile like I've got in my bathroom that I need more of. I'll have to get the numbers and call and double check. I made an apple pie after lunch and it passed our taste test. You think? All right.
Very good. Homemade.
Except for the crust.
Yeah, that tasted homemade.
Supper's ready. I made a meatloaf, a small one. Baked some sweet potatoes, heated up some homegrown green beans, and we still have apple pie with ice cream. Looks better here on the plate. Larry's leaving. He's going to go play hand and foot. So I guess I'll go in and edit my video. Good night. God bless.